It's like 3:20 in the morning, 3:22. I'm about to freestyle. Fuck it. Just got bonded out of jail. Mother's Day present, yeah, she paid my bail. Real talk, bro, that's some fucked up shit. I'm addicted to the game, I can't seem to quit. All I do is spit every fucking day. So much on my mind, so much left to say. I can't even spit it if I had time left. No robbery, not even one theft. Fuck that shit, bro, you stole my chain. In love with this girl, man, her name is Mary Jane. Selling that shit, man, the cops, they know, cause they locked me up right about a week ago. So I'm spitting this shit straight from my mind. No need to press stop, pause, or rewind, cause I really just pine. And I guess I'm on my grind. Tomorrow I wake up, man, I hope the sun's gonna shine, cause I'm trying to get mine. Man, I need to fucking eat this competition in the street that I really need to beat. Man, this shit is fucking real. Keep your kids about the shit. I don't even really know, cause I cannot ever quit. And these people upstairs, man, they banging on the floor, and they trying to hear me spit just a little bit more, but I cannot ever stop, and I think I'm tripping out. Real people in the hood know what I'm talking about. Family over everything, yeah, it's tatted on my chest. Guess you could say that I'ma take care of the rest of the people before they walk me up and put me all away. I don't give a fuck, I got nothing left to even say. Nah, wait a second, man. Nah, I got a lot to do. Got a lot of problems, man. Got a lot of problems, ooh. Got a lot of problems, man. Think I am even seeing too. I don't even give a damn. Set my cousin up for booze. I don't give a shit. I got the clues, I got the facts for real. You think I'm a snitch? I got the paper and the shit for real. I got real proof. I ain't a snitch, man. That ain't me. I don't give a fuck. I rep my hood and I just keep it G. Don't fuck with me if you ain't trying to get laid down. And I don't give a fuck because my crew, we do not fuck around. All we do is sip the crown. Go to the club and fuck. I don't even give a shit. So you finna get stuck. I think that I'm stuck in the cell, instrumental, going crazy. People always call me mental, I'm insane. Shawty, what's your name? I can't remember. The only thing I remember is December 4th is my birthday, I'm fucking 21. I just finally got my gun and they took my fucking son away from me. That shit was my baby and I don't even really know, cause I'm still with the lady. And I guess you could say that's that white, that's that dope, that's that crack shit, man. That's that motherfucking coke. Please don't do it, man, bro. You don't need it in your life. That ain't need to be your motherfucking wife. Cut that shit off, man. Man, you don't need these drugs. Stop chilling with these kids that is acting like some thugs, cause I'm sick of this shit. I wish I could get out. Real people in the game know what I'm talking about. Or maybe you just love it and you cannot stop. Amazed by the fast money, the way that you cop, but you really don't know. Shit comes with consequences, and I don't even know if you ready to hop these fences, but I did. And I'm about to spit this acapella. These people in this room, yeah, I'm really trying to tell you, these drugs they trying to sell you, they ain't fucking worth it. And I'ma tell you straight up, it's gonna fucking hurt it. It's gonna fucking hurt it. Right over here, right in your mama's heart, you'll make it disappear. Yeah, like I did to my mom's, man, I'm sorry. And I don't even know why these motherfuckers card me. I'm 21, bro, but I look young. They locked me up for all the drugs I slung. Apparently, man, I'm quoting that shit. Apparently, man, I didn't fucking write acapella, bro. You can tell this on my wrist. What time is this? Yeah, I think I'm getting pissed every day, man. Lawyer told me to get sober. I don't even know, man. That's what I told her. She was like, Chris, get your mind fucking right. Think I'm going crazy 'cause I'm getting kinda tight. I don't know what to do any fucking more. I can't wait to see somebody's body on the floor. I don't care whoever stole my chain. I ain't even gonna mention one fucking name. I don't give a fuck 'cause I'm spitting this shit. I'm a ride or die and I cannot quit. I'm so sick of it, but I cannot stop. All around the town, it's like I hop from place to place, from case to case. I don't even know, took the blunt to the face. Now I need two, now I need three. Last name, guess what? It starts with G. Look me up, bro. 30 fucking years. These cops, they trying to take me away and just disappear. But I ain't trying to leave or disappear from the street. These people talking about they wanna fight, they wanna meet. But I ain't got the time, not right now. But later on, bro, I'll let the gun go blow. You try me right now, I got my goons on deck. I got cash for 'em, weed, money, no check. And I don't give a fuck, bro, 'cause you going down. Just like a shot up in my cup, it's like the fucking crown. I drink that shit for real, I never ever steal. And I don't give a fuck, I see 5-0, I fucking peel away from 'em. If I got some weed on me, I'ma toss it. And then I'm gonna let the asses find me, and I'm gonna be like, I did that shit for fun. I always wanted to try to get away and just run. And then they gon' be like, damn, this crazy kid. And they have no idea what the fuck I just did. Real talk, bro. Probably could fucking spit it. I don't even know. You probably thought that I read it, but I really didn't. You can tell by I'm talking. I'm sitting down and I ain't even walking. I'm rocking my head. What do you think? I'm so done with the people fucking with the pink. Only people know that pink is that white. I don't give a fuck, I'm not going down without a fight. I'm losing this shit, I'm losing my breath. I still never ever tried the fucking drug meth. Or maybe I did, I really don't remember, 'cause I went fucking insane and crazy in December on my birthday. When I turned 21, I legally just bought my first fucking gun, and then it got taken by the goddamn cops. This game, it keeps coming hard, it never ever stops. You don't wanna be in it, that shit's for real. I don't need a beat to even fucking steal your fucking time from you, 'cause you fucking listening. You ain't even gotta do it, you know I ain't dissing nobody in this motherfucking damn street. I don't give a fuck where the hell you tryna meet. I'm a real bruh, I'm a real bruh. I'ma tell you, I'ma tell her right in front of her that I'm the best. R.I.P. to all the rest. Think I'm done and I think I'm tired. Fuck this shit, I feel like I got fired. 'Cause I'm suspended 'cause of 6 felonies. I don't even know 'cause these fucking friends of me's. Yeah, I'm fucking up. I think I'm done. Man, I can't wait to get back my gun. Lawyer said, man, he called me on the phone. He was like, dude, don't answer that shit. I was like, fuck, I'm slurring fucking on my stuff. I'm so tired of the game, man. I think I had enough. Damn. Shit ain't a joke. Got a motherfucker robbed, then broke. Cops took it all on the arm. It's like they raised, man, a goddamn alarm. These cops basically fought my goddamn life. They might as well cut my throat with a knife. I feel like I'm already fucking dead. These people in the streets, they want my fucking head.